Hello guys, welcome back to One True Legend. Today we're back on another brand new drone flight.
Home
So
point
we are
updated.
flying in Whitechapel today. It's absolutely baking today, 28 degrees. So I'm wearing my hat and yeah, it's really hot today. I need to shade my phone as well because usually when it's really hot, my phone overheats and then the video becomes really choppy. So yeah, I want to do a 360 photo, start off with that, then we just explore the area. Look at that insane view.
Max
I actually
altitude
took my
reached.
case off from my phone. Usually my case is on, hopefully taking the case off helps it to cool it down. Alright, 360 photo is complete. I'm now just gonna zip it around. Let's go explore. There's a train coming, let's get a tour of that. It's overground. Is it overground? Yeah, overground and another train. Absolutely baking today. I'm literally, I need to move around. Should look for shade. You know what, I wanna go this way first. This is the main part of Whitechapel. I'm gonna stand in the shade of the sun. Get a tour of Whitechapel.
Approached edge of altitude zone.
So yeah, there's a Flat Royal London Hospital, as you can see. Absolutely baking today. I can feel the heat. Only problem is I'm trying to keep my phone away from the sun. It's already a choppy video because of how hot it is. Yeah, it's really hot. My phone's giving out choppy video. Let's come back. It's really difficult to fly. I'm gonna go in the shade. See, I'm in the shade now, hopefully. I should cool down the phone a little bit. There's a train right here. I'll show you. I have to let the phone cool down because it's still too hot. Let's go this way. See, it's really hard to fly. I have to look at the drone up in the sky. Where are we? Really hard to see. Really hard to see it in the sky because, yeah, I see it now. I'm gonna try and go to this building because I'm in the shade right now. I should be fine. The phone's still really hot though. It's been in the sun. It's not cooling down enough.
I wasn't very good, bro, the last week. I couldn't work.
Let the phone bake in the sun. Taking the phone case off didn't even help. The phone's really hot. I'm touching this phone right now. It's really hot. This video's choppy. But I'm in the shade. And I hope that can cool the phone down. So yeah, so this is on Shoreditch High Street, as pretty insane. Really interesting area. I'm gonna keep my drone static here for a while. Not only to get static footage, but to let my phone cool down. Because my phone's overheated. Really hard to see video. It's like, the video for me is like only 4 FPS, the drone video, and it's hard to fly like that. Obviously the drone's not affected. So let's go close to that building. I think, yeah, we're getting more FPS now. I think the phone's cooled down enough. go up a little bit.
Max altitude reached.
I'm gonna go close to this building. See, it's really hard to get a shot on the drone this hot. Let's do an orbit shot. Try to do an orbit shot while the drone is. See, I can kind of fly it. But it's hard. See, the FPS has gone down now. The phone's still really hot. It's not a good flying experience. Let the phone cool down enough. I'm gonna go the other way. Really nice place to fly though. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna close the DJI app. That didn't do anything. I'll open the DJI app. I open the DJI app again and it's really, really laggy. I have to make sure. I can't fly in a straight line. I have to look at the drone physically. I'm trying to go this way. My phone's cooled down enough now. I'm gonna keep going straight down. See, I have to go in the sun, but I'm blocking it with my shade. I'm getting more FPS now. I've shaded my phone enough. Look how fast we're going. We've got the overground coming. That was an amazing shot. And let's start heading back now. I can't do it faster. I should have put it in sport mode, but we're actually near the old park that I went. I went to different park. Weavers Fields. And I'm here right now in the Allen Gardens. So I want to make the most out of this flight. What's this rubbish down there? You can see a lot of rubbish. I don't know what that is. It's really interesting. At least my drone footage won't be this choppy. It's literally happening again. I've stood in the sun again, and it started getting choppy again. I got in the shade, let it cool down. But I think it's too late now. Alright, let's come back now. I'm gonna go this side, inside of Whitechapel. Hopefully the wind's cooling my phone down.
Approached edge of altitude zone.
Yeah, we're getting more FPS now, back to normal. Right, let's head back. You know what, let's explore this side as well. The inside of Whitechapel. I don't want to explore the main side, but we're gonna go too far. Let's get a parallax shot of London. See, parallax shots, it enables you to look, to get a sense of scale. Whatever building's closer to you, it moves faster, but the further away buildings, it appears to be moving slower. So we're in the main part of Whitechapel now. That's the main road. Get a shot of that. That's some sick shot. Look at that, there's a lot of people down there as well. We're near the Elizabeth Line station as well, of Whitechapel. Let's get this kind of shot. It's really busy down there, as you can see. Right, let's start him back. Right, where are we? We're down here, innit? Let's go in a straight line. So let's just stay local now. When we come back, I get shot of the train. You can see the train. The one that you can hear is that one right in the middle. So I'm standing beside it. So there's a little chimney here. Let's get a close shot of this chimney first as well, before we land. Truman, it says Truman. Gonna get a smooth shot of going towards it. Stay right in the middle. As you can see it clearly. Actually insane. Look at that. Insane shot. Let's see what's on top of it. Look at that. Imagine you go down that. Absolutely crazy. It's really risky hitting it. You really don't want to hit the tower, Truman Tower. Alright, you know what? Let's start him back now. Let's get a closer shot of this. See what's down there. I want to see what's in this area. So look at that. The train coming as well. We're going to get a shot of that as well. So, yeah. So we get a shot of this. What's down here? There's a lot of stuff down there, innit? Alright, let's follow the train here. Go through
Battery
this.
level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds. Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Look at that, there's another train. Look at that. Really nice shot. Alright, let's land the drone now. Low battery. Thank you for watching this drone flight. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll speak to you in the next one.